Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing you a wonderful place on this planet. It is a historical place. It has a great importance in the history, and it has a very beautiful nature, amazing and wonderful nature. There are mountains, there are streams, there are rivers, there are riverines, there are lakes, gardens, you name it. And it has its own microenvironment. Actually, it is 8th August 2020 today. On 8th August 2018, I was there. No, I had filmed them, but unfortunately, I lost that camera. So I had saved some photographs and in my cell phone. So I am making a slideshow for you. It will go photo by photo. So that's Alamut Valley, the Valley of Assassins, where there is a castle of Lord of the Mountains, Hassan bin Sabbah. And they say they have fictionalized it a lot in the history. It has been fictionalized. They say he had made some paradise and there were houris and gardens. Actually, the whole valley is a paradise. And when you go there, when you see it, it is wonderful. It is amazing. It is nothing like else. So it has, I was telling you, it has its own microenvironment. I mean, I was in August and there were fogs in various places in the valley. And at somewhere there are clouds and there was rain. And it's quite peaceful and wonderful valley. You can hike, you can camp. And there is a fort of Assassin. There are remains of the fort of Assassin. They are reconstructing it, but the work is going on very slow. So it is present in Qazvin province in Iran, almost midway between the capital Tehran and the Caspian Sea. And if you want to go there, you have to go to Qazvin, and from Qazvin, then you will have to take some taxi or car from there, from Qazvin. And you can see all the attraction there in one day. Go early in the morning and return at night. You can return to Qazvin. And if you want to have adventure at hiking, then you can spend as much as time as you want there, as you have time there. So there are some places where Muallim Kalaya, there is a town there, and there is Awan lake, very beautiful, wonderful lake. I haven't seen such a blue lake in my life. I have seen a lot of lakes in Pakistan and in other countries, but I haven't seen such a wonderful and beautiful, amazing lake. And then there is a remains of the fort of Assassin, which has been reconstructed. That is a decent adventure, a hike. You have to climb up to there